Our fast food toy story for today is a Poo Chi bird. I just wonder if she can actually sing better than the usual songbird. I'm talking about Reaching Velasquez. But each word can tear you apart. I sing, you sing along. You'll find your life in my song. When you need the strength to carry on, you got me to turn to. With the songs that I sing and the magic they bring, they've helped me be strong now. The song sets you free, but who sings to me when I'm all alone now? Who sings for Songbird? Who sings for Songbird? Sometimes when I'm all alone, I sing my saddest song, lonely, no one can see. This time the song is for me. I can touch your secret place inside, and still you don't know me. With the songs that I sing and the magic they bring, you learn to be strong now. My song sets you free, but who sings to me? I'm all alone now. Where is my songbird? Where is my songbird? Who sings this song for